How to request changes to your VRBO reservation. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open VRBO's page. Here, click on your name at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your name at the top right corner of your screen, here click on My Trips. And after you click on My Trips, here you'll find your reservation. And after you find your reservation, here simply click on the trip detail, then press on cancel or change, then find modify booking section. There, select message host. Type the change you want, like dates, guests, check-in time, or any other. Then be specific about what you want to update. Then select submit, and after you do that, check your inbox for the host response after a certain time and you're good to go. This is how to request changes to your VRBO reservation. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.